how to access your folders on Picsart. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can access your folders on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type Picsart.com to enter the official website of Picsart. Here, make sure you have logged into your account. On this interface, here go to the editing space by clicking on this new project and clicking on this create canvas. Once you reach to the editing space, here at the left sidebar you will see various icons. Scroll down through the icons and at the very bottom you will see my folder icons. Click on that my folder icon and you will be presented with all the folders and collections you have previously made on Picsart. Simply open them and you can see the projects you have previously saved on Picsart. Repeat the same process on other options and there you will find all your projects that you have previously posted or saved as drafts. So in this way you can access folders on Picsart. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next videos. Stay connected.